with everything that you have seen you on the show, I feel you're also very adaptable. When the situation आ जाती है ना आपके सामने, you're not, आपकी mental strength काफी ज़्यादा है. Like, tell me if I'm wrong.
I think I'm quite a humble person. Like, लोग सोचते मैं humble नहीं हूँ, but I adapt, yes, very easily. जैसे I didn't complain as much as I should. So बाकी की जो inmates थे, they were like, oh, बेचारी, कैसे, you know, how are you going to cope, क्या करोगी? And they're like, actually, you're not bad. Like, मैं adapt कर चुकी थी with the food, with the living conditions. I think the first week was hard for me.
Yeah, that you're easily adaptable.
So I'm easily adaptable in that sense that you know, I kind of adapted to everything that was there. But ye makhiyan machhar, pehle hafte was very, very hard. I'm not going to lie. And now week 5 mein, if makhi aa jati, I'm just like this. I flick it away.
Yeah.
But I mean, because obviously I'm not living in India. I think when Apurva aayi thi, she was complaining so much. Kaisa khana khate ho, ye kaisa ye karte ho. And I'm like, chill out, you live in India. And tu mere se bhi zyada kar rahi hai drama. Natak kar rahi hai. Chill. But I kind of adapted well to everything. I mean, it was hard. It wasn't easy. Mujhe puri OCD bhi hai. And OCD in the sense where I need stuff, you know, which is clean.
Hygiene.
So hygiene, oh my God. And ladke. And mera jo cellmate, हाँ Varun, oh my God, his habits.
क्यों, कैसी कौन सी आदतें थी उसकी?
He used to fart, he used to burp, कभी अपनी बेड नहीं बनाता था, बिस्तरा नहीं बनाता सी. I swear, कभी शावर नहीं करता सी, नहाता नहीं सी. I was like, hi, what do I do?
सारे लड़के ऐसे थे?
Yogesh was like that too. दोनों ने कहने सी जाके नहाओ. Like, मैं तो हफ्ते में एक बार नहाता हूँ. I was like, you're in my vicinity, in my cell. दोनों जाके नहाओ.
हाइजीनिक कौन था लड़कों में?
हाइजीनिक लड़कों में
जो अपने आप को ग्रूम करता था.
I think Harshad was quite good. Yeah.
Harshad?
Yeah, Harshad was quite a groomer. हमेशा शावर में होता था. Riaz.
हमेशा शावर में.
हाँ, Riaz always in the shower. वो at least 4-5 बार शावर करता था दिन में. And पानी भी ठंडा था, guys.
4-5 बार कौन शावर करता है?
He was always in the shower. Like, कहाँ है Riaz शावर में? कहाँ है? 10 बार वो दिखता नहीं था. वो तो शावर में होता था हमेशा.
ये हमको नहीं पता था. I think
he was the most cleanliness.
And girls, I think, were pretty like groomed. बताओ Pam.
Yeah, each to their own.
Each to their own. Okay.
So we had एक हमारा toilet था लड़कियों वाला. Okay, I'll tell you this story. It's so disgusting, guys. But I will tell you मैं किस हादसे से गुजरी हूँ लॉकअप के अंदर. Okay, so we had one toilet. एक toilet था लड़कियों के लिए, एक लड़कों के लिए. एक shower लड़कियों के लिए, एक shower लड़कों के लिए. And I swear to God, लड़कियाँ, you would think they'd be clean, but when I used to go in the shower, there was a ball all on the shower, नीचे. There was like, and we had to change there. Changing room भी नहीं था वहाँ पे. तो वही गीले कपड़ों के साथ. You know, the floor is gila and then you're getting changed. So, towel ki sabur niche, kapron ki. Oh my God, it was a nightmare. And ek baar, I swear, I don't know if this is in the episode, pata nahi dala ki nahi dala. I don't know if kisne jaan ke bhi ye kiya hai ki nahi. But literally, you know, the toilet, wo toilet ke andar wo jo handheld shower hota hai, handheld wala, uske upar वो लगा था.
क्या लगा?
Potty लगी थी उसके ऊपर. And I just turned around and I looked and I just was going to be sick and I was like, oh my God, who could do this? Like, who could do this?
I don't even know how to react. Oh my God.
Yes, it was, you know, look, you reach out obviously to grab it and I was like, ew, traumatized. मैं तो completely traumatized थी. And obviously I don't know if it's in the episode because मैंने तो सबको बताया.
ये तो कैसे होगा episode में Pam? हमको नहीं पता ये episode में तो नहीं था.
नहीं था? Well, oh, it was really bad. And I don't know.
Did you come out and like?
Yes, of course. मैं उल्टी nearly vomited. And मैंने सबको बताया था. And then मैंने बोला भी था देखो. And I think after me went चौधरी गई थी बाद में. She said I saw it. as बोले क्या है भाई? कौन करता है ये चीजें?
Oh my God.
हाँ. It was super bad. And there was like, the hygiene was not how it should be, you know, especially with women. I'm just like, जाके पीछे देख लो after you finish with the bathroom.
Yeah.
साफ है, सुथरा है कि नहीं, you know, उस next person भी जाएगा.
Oh. But you all could never decode who's doing what, obviously.
We couldn't decode who was doing what. इस तरह की हरकतें लोग करते हैं, but obviously it was really bad.
Oh my God. No, but Pam, I think आपका लॉकअप की शुरुआत में ही आपका जो 21 वाला डायलॉग है, it went so viral and it was so refreshing to see कि you had this Punjabi girl side that the entire nation kind of related to.
हाँ.
आप इतने ज़्यादा entertaining लगे हो. But at the same time, I want to understand, we've seen you in Desi Bling, now that we've seen you in Lockup, I want to take you back to who actually Pamela is.
Mm-hmm.
And how was your childhood? How did you start living in Dubai?
Oh.
Where are you from?
Okay, so I'm born in London, raised in London. Parents are from London, grandparents, a puri family London based hai. And we used to come and go in Dubai. So my dad used to be working up and down. And I had my cousin brother who was doing a lot of work in Dubai also. So then मुझे Dubai अच्छा लगा. I really, really liked it. So after I finished being a student, I kind of moved there. And उसके बाद I just ended up being there. So we had an apartment there. घर था हमारा वहाँ पर. So coming and going, and then मैं रह गई थी वहाँ पर because I liked it. And situation in London became very, very, it wasn't as safe as it used to be. So in London, they say itna safe bhi nahi tha, like you can't just freely go out and go anywhere. But it's very safe in Dubai for women to be living there.
I love
And then you have the help there. The lifestyle is good there. So वो adapt करके मैं इधर ही रह गई थी. But I do go a lot to London. So मैं जाती हूँ. I'm in between London and Dubai quite a fair bit because I work also in London. So मेरा business वगैरह वहाँ पर है. But Dubai is Dubai.
Dubai is Dubai.
Dubai is Dubai.
You love it.
Yes. Abhi almost क्या I think 7 weeks almost हो गए. I haven't been home and I'm dying to go home now. I'm so homesick. I miss my bed. I miss my house. I miss my bath. I miss my shower. The lockup में रह के ना ये होता है that you start appreciating the small
Little
things in
things.
life.
Yeah.
Basic necessities. Garam pani. Every day having a clean towel. Clean bed sheets.
Yeah.
Clean duvet.
The luxury of life.
Luxury of life. Because at one point हमें नीचे भी सोना पड़ता था. You know, and in those sleeping bags, you know, there were bugs, bed bugs, there were ants, cockroaches, which some चीजें floor के ऊपर थी. You know, which was just so bad at that point. I think that week was the hardest week for me.
Yeah.
Sleeping on the floor, खाना बिल्कुल नहीं था. मैं तो इतना खाती भी नहीं थी. I really suffered with the food. But
Did you lose weight?
yeah, I lost weight.
Oh my God.
But a few spoons of dal मैं खाती थी. उसमें and then no salt in your body, no sugar in your body. चक्कर आते थे.
हाँ.
It was really, really bad. And I'm just like, oh my God. But it was just mostly for me was the OCD I have because जो hygiene level था ना वो बहुत नीचे हो रहा था. And the more you were living there, the more things were just getting more dirtier and dirtier. So that was hard.
Yeah.
And it was real. तो मेरी फ्रेंड जब मैं अभी निकली हूँ, my friends were like, oh, but their day off था. I'm sure they took you to a 5-star hotel. या स्क्रीन के पीछे खाना दे रहे थे. I was like, नहीं कुछ नहीं दे रही थी. कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था हमें. Nothing. And I was really just craving sugar.
Sugar. Yeah, I know. That used to come as premium खाना.
I was
जब भी sugar
हाँ, वो
आता
पैसे कभी होते ही नहीं थे वो
Premium
अकाउंट
होते
में.
थे.
And जब होते भी थे, they'll take it for something else.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you can save someone for, you know.
But you seem
this
like
month.
someone who's going to be off sugar. You seem like that girl
I just
who's off
wanted sugar because I wasn't getting any food.
Hmm.
And I don't know why I was craving sugar. I'm a chocoholic. I love chocolate.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love chocolate. But I was honestly, oof. At one point, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे थे बहुत.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
That week was hard. Then I'm like, I just want to go. नीचे सोना and cockroaches आ रहे थे. And that time बारिश भी बहुत थी. So it was like the full monsoon. And then you get all these flies. At one point, it was just every second, you're just doing this. Because मक्खियाँ आ ही जानी थी.
Oh my God. But tell me,
Infested with flies. Infested.
but y'all didn't have कुछ spray way या कुछ ऐसा मतलब आप टीम को नहीं बोलते थे, प्रोडक्शन को नहीं बोलते
कहाँ
थे?
बोलते कैमरे में
कैमरा में ही बोलना पड़ेगा.
कोई नहीं सुनता था.
तो आते ही नहीं थे वो लोग कुछ वो रिजॉल्व करने. Oh my God. I thought आते तो होंगे कि मक्खियाँ निकाले.
Maybe if we went for a task or somewhere, left the arena, maybe they might have sprayed it, but it wasn't. It was too strong. The barish was too strong.
Yeah.
So it was not working.
Rainy. But
मैं तो Dio के साथ, and then वो क्या कहते हैं वो that you put on your body the spray
yeah.
के साथ तो मरते नहीं थे मच्छर. Okay, so it had to be a combination of all and Dio and then spray the two. I don't know if it's come in the scene or not. दिखाया कि नहीं.
I don't.
वो उनको actually just killed them like that.
Oh my god, इतनी ज़्यादा मच्छर.
हाँ.